It's 140. Make a pull. Hey, it's 140. You're ready to pull.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, here's your Christmas gift. Here it goes.
Not bad.
Here you go.
418.
418 for basic 440. Not bad at all.
491 torque. Okay, let's cool it down, make another couple more pulls. And,
All right.
Let's get down for the day.
That was nice. Here we are with the Christmas spirit with a 446 pack on the Dyno that belongs to Peter in New York. We're getting it running. We're just warming it up. We're going to do some tuning later on, but we said, you know, let's make a blast for Christmas and of course for the holidays.
Yep. Two more.
Two more tests. Let's go. Back to back. We have the timing set up. We're just going to cool it down a bit and make another one for it.
At the same time, warm up the oil.
Yeah, let's warm up the oil. That's right.
Almost there.
We also changed the fuel.
Yeah.
We went to a 94 octane right now, but then we have to flush the system full. So we have to make a couple of tests.
Oil pressure good. No oil leaks.
No oil leaks, no.
No,
That's,
okay.
that's my biggest worry, oil leak.
Okay.
I'm just gonna start warm it up. I want to make sure
Warm it up.
everything's good.
Okay, shut it down. So here, cool down a bit. We've been going.
All right. Matthew, Andrew, how are you?
Good, we're shooting,
We're just doing a little Christmas video for our viewers with our 446 bike here.
yeah.
So it's just a Christmas blast. I'm just gonna take it to 5.5.
A Christmas gift for the viewers.
Yes, it is.
Okay, shoot it down. Drop
Okay, here we go. All two sets are on.
Here he is. Oh yeah, 420.
We did.
422.
422.
423. 423. Wow.
Not bad, not bad. We're getting there, we're getting there.
423.
Yes, we are. Getting there. Good. I checked for noises, oil pressure, everything. That's what's called the Christmas spirit.
No leak, no leak. You want to make one pool or that's it for today?
You want to take another one? I think, what do you think? If you want, I'll make another one. I'll take it to 56, what it comes out to. Now that the oil's warmed up, we'll make one more test.
What's your fuel ratio? What's your fuel ratio?
I'm not going with that anymore. Same thing.
Yeah, same thing.
Didn't change.
What do you want to do? It's up to you. You want to make another one?
So there you have it, folks. Just wanted to do a little Christmas spirit. Make a test on a 446 barrel that belongs to a 70 Roadrunner. I wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and of course, Happy Holidays.
I'd like to wish everybody Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays to everybody. just like that. Now,
Yes.
it's always the third one. It always comes up to the same
It's
one.
good,
The second
man.
one, the first one then.
Look, 499.7. I couldn't get 500 foot bots at
That's
Torque.
500 for
Well,
on
I know, but I wanted to see a
Or
500,
maybe the other one had it.
which is pretty good.
Pick the other one.
Good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
From all of us here at Nick's Garage, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. Thank you for another year together. Onward and upward in 2026. We wish you all peace, love, and muscle cars.